Let's talk about life choices here. All right, I'm fishing. It's cold as fuck. Probably shouldn't be fishing, but my favorite crappie hole, it's over there. And this is ice. And it's a good 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch thick. So, just, I'm just gonna, yep. Oh, God, that hurts. It hurts my soul. But I really want to get to this hole because I know it's going to be loaded. Now I got to push the ice out of the hole. Yeah. The things I do to fish, I don't get it sometimes. I honestly don't get it. But it is what it is.